Prove that the points A, B and C are collinear. Collinear means 3 points are in straight line. If A, B, C are collinear, then AB plus BC should be equal to AC. Here we have to prove that points A, B and C are collinear. If 3 points A, B and C are collinear, then we have to prove that AB plus BC equal to AC. So we will find AB, BC and AC in this question. A is minus 2, 5 or B is 0, 1. So AB equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Minus 2 minus 0. 5 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2 square is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 2 to the 4, 5 the 50. Sorry, 2 to the 4 or 4 5 the 20. Pair of 2 is complete. 2 root 5 unit. This is AB. AB is 2 root 5 unit. Now BC. B is 0, 1. C is 2, minus 3. So BC equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square, 0 minus 2 plus y1 minus y2 whole square, 1 minus plus 3 whole square. 0 minus 2 square is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 square. 4 plus 4 square is 16 equal to root 20. So root 20 is 2 root 5 unit. Now we have to find AC. What is A? A is minus 2, 5. C is 2, minus 3. So AC equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square, minus 2 or minus 2. 5 minus plus minus 2 minus 4 square plus 5 plus 3 is 8 square minus 4 square is 16. 8 square 64. This is equal to root 80. रूट 80 फैक्टर कीजिए आप 80 के 2 टू जा 4 टू जा 8 इंटू 10 है तो 2 इंटू 5 इक्वल टू आप स्क्वायर रूट लोगे तो 2 इंटू 2 4. दिस इज इक्वल टू 4 root 5 unit. Now AB is 2 root 5. BC is also 2 root 5. So AB plus BC is 2 plus 2, 4 root 5. और AC is 4 root 5. This implies AB plus BC equal to AC. This implies ABC are collinear. A, B, C are collinear. Again understand, we have to find that points A, B and C are collinear. Points ABC will be collinear if AB plus BC equal to AC. So we find AB, then we find BC, and then we find AC. Here AB is 2 root 5, BC is 2 root 5. AB plus BC equal to 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 is 4 root 5. AC is 4 root 5. AB plus BC equal to AC. So ABC are collinear.